Hello kids, we are doing chapter 2 Power Play of Ganit Prakash class 8 and today we are going to start with topic 2.4 that is the powers of 10. We have used numbers like 10, 100, 1000 and so on when writing Indian numerals in an expanded form. For example, 47,561 can be written as 4 into 10,000 plus 7 into 1000 plus 5 into 100 plus 6 into 10 plus 1. This can be written using the powers of 10 as, now 10,000 can be written as 4 into 10 to the power of 4 plus 7 into 10 to the power of 3, 5 into 10 to the power of 2, 6 into 10 to the power of 1 plus 1 into 10 to the power of 0. So now they are asking you write these numbers in the same way. So we have to give the expanded form of these numbers. So the first one is 172. Now 1 is at the hundreds place. So we can write 1 into 10 to the power of 2 plus 7 into 10 to the power of 1 plus 2 into 10 to the power of 0. And for more clarity, let's put them into the brackets. For the next part, 5642. So 5 is at the thousands place. So 5 into 10 to the power of 3, then plus 6 into 10 to the power of 2, then 4 into 10 to the power of 1 and plus 2 into 10 to the power of 0. And the third part is 6374. So similarly we can write this as well. 6 into 10 to the power of 3 plus 3 into 10 to the power of 2 plus 7 into 10 to the power of 1 and plus 4 into 10 to the power of 0. So this is the expanded form जहाँ पे हम जो भी नंबर हमारा जिस प्लेस पे होता है उसको हम उसके 10th पावर से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं. Now they are asking you how can we write 561.903. तो जो डेसिमल के लेफ्ट साइड में जो नंबर्स हैं उनकी प्लेस वैल्यूज क्या है, वंस, टेंस, हंड्रेड्स. और जो राइट साइड में डेसिमल के नंबर्स हैं उनकी प्लेस वैल्यूज क्या है, 1/10, 100th, या और वी कैन से 10th, 100th, 1000th. So how do we write that? 5 into 100 for 5, then 6 is at the 10th place. So we are going to write it as 6 into 10 फिर प्लस 1 बिकॉज 1 into 10 to the power of 0 होगा और 10 to the power of 0 तो 1 ही होता है. नाउ दिस 9 is at the 10th place. So 9 into 1 over 10 plus 0 into 1 over 100 plus 3 into 1 over 1000. अब आपको इसको 10 के पावर्स में लिखना है तो 100 को we can write 10 to the power of 2, 10 we can write 10 to the power of 1, then 1 into 1 is 10 to the power of 0. 1/10 कौन सा लॉ लगेगा, नेगेटिव एक्सपोनेंट लॉ, a to the power of minus m equals to 1 upon a to the power of m, right? So 9 into 10 to the power of minus 1, then 0 into 10 to the power of minus 2 and plus 3 into 10 to the power of minus 3. So this is how we write any number into its expanded form. Now coming on to the scientific notation, let's look at some facts involving the large numbers. The sun is located, so this number is written as 30 and it has been followed by so many zeros. Let us count the number of zeros. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So I'm just writing for the reference 3 followed by 20 zeros. ठीक है, आगे हम इसका यूज करने वाले हैं. नेक्स्ट इज, so I'll again read that. The sun is located 3 followed by 20 zeros meters from the center of our Milky Way galaxy. Then the number of stars in our galaxy is 1 and let's see how many zeros are there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So I will write 1 followed by 11 zeros. And the mass of the earth is 59, then 76 and then so many zeros. So again let's count the number of zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So I'll write 5976 followed by 21 zeros. ठीक है, जस्ट अब आप देख रहे हो ना कितना प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है इसको रीड करने में, इतने सारे जीरोज हैं. इजंट इट वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू रीड द नंबर ऑफ जीरोज. और अगर आप एक भी नंबर ऑफ जीरो मिस कर देते हो, सो व्हाट विल बी द प्रॉब्लम, द एंटायर नंबर विल बिकम रॉन्ग. So as the number of digits increases, it becomes difficult to read the numbers correctly. We may miscount the number of zeros or place commas incorrectly. We will then read the wrong value. It is like getting rupees 5,000 when you were supposed to get 50,000. The number of zeros is more important than the initial digits in several cases. Can we use the exponential notation to simplify and read these very large numbers correctly? For example, the number 5,900 can be expressed as, तो जैसे अभी हमने expanded form पढ़ा था, so 590 into 10 लिख सकते हैं, right? And we can also write it as 590 multiplied by 10 to the power of 1. इसको और further we can write 59 into 100 और we can write 59 into 10 to the power of 2. अब इसी में एक डेसिमल लगा देंगे, so 5.9 और 100 की जगह we can write 1000. So 5.9 into 10 to the power of 3. आप डेसिमल और लेफ्ट में शिफ्ट करेंगे तो 0.59 into 10,000. That is 0.59 into 10 to the power of 4. So how can we write this number in the powers of 10? हम 1 power भी लगा सकते हैं, 2 भी लगा सकते हैं, 3 भी and 4 भी. And we can again हम 5 powers भी लगाएंगे तो ये जो डेसिमल पॉइंट है एक प्लेस और शिफ्ट हो जाएगा टुवर्ड्स द लेफ्ट. So any number can be written as the product of a number between 1 and 10 and a power of 10. So it is always possible to write any number between 1 to 10 और उसको हम प्रोडक्ट कर दे किससे, with the powers of 10. Any number can be written within the range 1 to 10 and then we can multiply it with the powers of 10. So for example, like 5,900 is written as 5.9 into 10 to the power of 3. राइट, आप इसको सॉल्व भी करके देखो. 5.9 और 10 टू द पावर ऑफ 3 का मतलब है 1000. जब आप मल्टीप्लाई करोगे तो क्या होगा, 5,900 आ जाएगा. सिमिलरली 20,800 हमने क्या किया, यहाँ पे डेसिमल लगा दिया. सो यू विल हैव पुट 2.08 और कितने प्लेसेस पे पहले लगाया, तो हमें इसे 10 टू द पावर ऑफ 4 से मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा. Similarly for this 80 lakhs, so 8 has been followed by 6 zeros, so we can write 8 into 10 to the power of 6. So haven't we converted all the numbers जिसमें आपका जो पहला टर्म है वो 1 to 10 के बीच में वेरिएबल है, and then we have the powers of 10. Write the large number facts we read just before in the form. So just above haven't we discussed कि कितने zeros followed हो रहे हैं, तो मैंने यहाँ बोला था 3 and 20 zeros थे. उसके बाद नेक्स्ट वाले क्वेश्चन में this is 1 and then we have 11 zeros, right? And for the next one, the mass of the earth, we had 5976 and we had 21 zeros after that. Chalo, so let's us write them in the same way. So the first one, can I write 3 into 10 raised to the power of 20, right? 10 raised to the power 20 will give you the number of zeros after 3. Then for the second portion, I may write 1 into 10 to the power of 11 zeros. एक बार वापस से काउंट करें, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11, right? And then third, I can write it in multiple forms. पहले तो 5976 multiplied by 10 to the power 21 zeros, ये भी लिख सकते हैं. But now since we want that this initial term should be between 1 to 10, so I will replace it like 5.976 times of 10 to the power of 24. So this is in kgs. All of these are in kgs. No, the number of stars, you do not have a unit. Then for the first one, you will have the unit as meters. So the sun is located 3 into 10 to the power of 20 meters away from the center of our Milky Way galaxy. Now is it easy to read this out? Yes. Then the number of stars, there are 1 into 10 to the power 11 stars in our galaxy. And the mass of the earth is 5.976 into 10 to the power of 24 kgs. Now it has become so easy to read out these numbers, but when there were just simply put zeros, it was difficult to read them out. And even a small mistake in a zero would make the numbers so different. In scientific notation or scientific form, it is also called as the standard form. So you can call it as a scientific notation, a scientific form, or you can also call it as a standard form. We write the numbers as x into 10 to the power of y, where x is greater than or equals to 1 and x is less than 10 is the coefficient and y, the exponent, is any integer. Often the exponent y is more important than the coefficient x. When we write 2 crore population of Mumbai as 2 into 10 to the power of 7, the 7 is more important than 2. So what they are saying is, you can call this form as scientific notation. आप इसको scientific notation भी बोल सकते हो, या फिर आप इसको scientific form भी बोल सकते हो, या फिर you can also call it as a standard form. And how do we write this standard form? As you have a number x which is then multiplied with 10 raised to the power of y. And the value of this number x, it should be greater than or equals to 1 and it should be less than 10. तो 1 से लेके 10 के बीच में इसकी रेंज होती है. And y can be any integer. Integer means it can have positive 1, positive 2, any values of positive numbers, whole numbers, and it can have the negative whole numbers as well. Right? So x should be between 1 and 10, greater than or equals to 1, less than 10, and y can be any integer. Now they are saying that this exponent, this y value is more important as compared to this coefficient x. Why? So let's have a look what they are saying. When we write the 2 crore population of Mumbai as 2 into 10 to the power of 10, the 7 is more important than 2. Indeed, if the 2 is changed to 3, the population increases by 1/2. 2 crores to 3 crores. Whereas if the 7 is changed to 8, the change in population is 10 times, that is 2 crores to 20 crores. Therefore, the standard form explicitly mentions the exponent which indicates the number of digits. तो आप देख रहे हो यहाँ पे जो population थी 2 crores, तो 2 into 10 to the power of 7 लिखा. राइट अगर आप बाय मिस्टेक इस 2 को 3 कर दे रहे हो, 3 into 10 to the power of 7, तो ये 2 crores है और ये आपका 3 crores है. तो even if you have made a mistake, there is a difference of just 1 crore, right? But if you simply make a mistake in writing the exponents, instead of 10 to the power of 7, you write it as 10 to the power of 8. You understand that the number of digits are changing. This is 2 crores and this is 20 crores, and 20 crores is 10 times of 2 crores. That means आपकी जो population अभी आपने पहले वाले केस में just 1 crore से change हो गई थी, but now it has been changing 10 times. It is becoming 10 times bigger. So it is a huge difference. If we say that the population of Kohima is 1,42,395, then it gives the impression that we are quite sure about this number up to the units place. तो हमें exact value पता है ना, 1,42,395. We are giving very exact values up to the units places. But when we use the large numbers, in most cases, we are more concerned about how big a quantity or measure is rather than the exact value. If we are only sure that the population is around 1,42,000, we can write 1.42 into 10 to the power of 5. तो अगर हमें एकदम exact value नहीं देना है, we just have to take care कि how big a quantity is. We can give that in the exponential form as well. If we can only be certain that it is around 1,40,000, we write it as 1.4 into 10 to the power of 5. So here, what was the first case? You were exactly knowing the population, units place तक. तो आप लिख रहे थे 1,42,395. सेकेंड केस में आपको आइडिया था कि 1,42,000 के अराउंड है, तो आपने लिखा 1.42 इंटू 10 टू द पावर ऑफ 5। और थर्ड केस में आपको आइडिया है कि 1,40,000 के अराउंड है, so you wrote it as 1.4 into 10 to the power of 5. The number of digits in the coefficient reflects how well we know the number. The most important part of any number written in the scientific form is the exponent and then the first digit of the coefficient. The digits following the coefficients are with small corrections to the first digit. When we write any number in the scientific notation, the most important part is exponent, right? Because it gives us the idea of how big or how small the number is. Then उसका coefficient है, और फिर उसके बाद जो भी हम coefficient के places पे जो second place पे है, third place पे है, like means the after the decimal values, आप ऐसे लिखते हो ना coefficient में 1.623, तो सबसे important ये जो first number है वो hold करता है importance. उसके बाद ये, उसके बाद ये, उसके बाद ये, right? So you know order. So the digits following the coefficients are small corrections to the first digit. Now here you see a picture and there is a conversation happening. So a person is asking how old is this dinosaur's skeleton. So the lady says it is 70 million and 15 years old. And she said when I started working here it was 70 million years old. So can you figure out from how much time is this lady working? So this lady is working from 15 years, तभी तो उसका जो अभी age है वो 70 million 15 years old है, and when she started working at that time the age of the skeleton was 70 million years old. That means she is working from 15 years over here. Now these values are rounded off estimates, averages or approximations. Most of the time they serve the purpose at hand. The distance between the Sun and the Saturn is 143350 जिसको हम कैसे रीड कर सकते हैं 1.4335 into 10 to the power 12 meters. So here you have just made the coefficient which is between 1 and 10, and then you have had the powers of 10 as 12. Then the distance between Saturn and Uranus is 143900000000, which is again written as 1.439 into 10 to the power of 12 meters. The distance between the Sun and the Earth is 14960000000, which can be written as 1.496 into 10 to the power of 11 meters. Now they are asking, can you say which of these three distances is the smallest? So what I could see is 1.4335 into 10 to the power of 12, right? उसके बाद एक distance है 1.439 into 10 to the power of 12. And then you have 1.496 into 10 to the power of 11. So this is the smallest distance. Why? Because this has been just raised to the power of 11. That means जो बाकी के दो distance हैं वो 10 times greater है, approximately 10 times greater है. So this is the smallest distance. Now let us compare the other two distances. तो आप देखो दोनों के powers 10 to the power of 12 ही हैं. So we are going to compare these numbers now, right? Now 1 is same for both, 4 is same for both, 3 is also same for both. But when you compare the thousandth place, you have 9 and 3. That means this is the biggest number. 9 is bigger than 3, so this is biggest, and this will be the middle number. So we can conclude that the distance between the Sun and Earth is the smallest. So I'll write Sun and Earth. The number line below shows the distance between the Sun and the Saturn, which is 1.4335 into 10 to the power of 12 meters. On the number line below, mark the relative positions of the Earth. The distance between the Sun and the Earth is 1.496 into 10 to the power of 11 meters. तो Sun और Earth के बीच में कितना distance है 1.496 into 10 to the power of 11, right? So अगर आप कंपेयर करोगे तो सन और सैटर्न के बीच का डिस्टेंस गिवन है हमें 1.4335 into 10 to the power of 12. Now this figure 10 to the power of 12 and this figure 10 to the power of 11. That means the earth is much closer to Saturn, right? Because sun और earth का distance 1.496 है. तो अगर मुझे relatively एक position बनानी है, so I may place my earth over here, right? And I can say that the distance between the sun and the earth would be 1.496 into 10 to the power of 11. और अगर मैं इसको 10 times और multiply कर दूं, then I will get the distance of the sun and the Saturn. Express the following numbers in the standard form. So 59,853. So let's write the numbers one by one. So the first one would be 5.9853 and then 10 raised to the power of 4. That would be the answer to the first one. Then for the second one, I may write 6.595 into 10 raised to the power of 4 again. Then for the third one, 3.43 and then how many 10 raised to the powers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? I am shifting the decimal 6 places to the left. So it would be 10 to the power of 6. And then for the fourth one, it could be written as 7.004 or kitne places? So 3, then 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So 7.004 times 10 to the power of 10. So with this we come to an end of our topic 2.4 of chapter number 2 power play. In our next video we will continue with the next topic. So please subscribe the channel, hit the like button and share the videos with your friends. Thank you.